In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lip gloss beauty Shopify website. We'll walk through the exact setup you need to look like a professional beauty brand and start selling with confidence. First, create your Shopify account, choose a store name that fits your brand vibe, and complete your basic details. Once you're in, you'll land on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center for everything from design to orders. Next, choose a beauty-focused theme. In your admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and pick a clean, minimal option that puts your products front and center. Customize the look with a soft or glam color palette and elegant fonts that match your packaging. Add a hero banner with lifestyle shots of your lip gloss in action. Think glossy textures, close-ups, and natural lighting to convey shine and finish. Now add your products. Go to Products and select Add Product. Upload high-quality close-up photos that show texture and shade differences clearly. Use an SEO-friendly product name like Glossy Nude Lip Shine. Add benefits such as hydrating, long-lasting, or vegan, and set your price. Create variants for shades and finish types, and turn on inventory tracking so you always know what's in stock. Organize your products into collections that mirror a real beauty brand, such as lip gloss, lip oils, lip kits, or bundles, new arrivals, and bestsellers. This makes shopping intuitive and helps with navigation and promotions. Build out your essential pages, a clean home page, a shop page that features your collections, and About Us to share your brand story. Add contact and FAQ to handle common questions, plus shipping and returns for transparency. For beauty stores, an ingredients or product safety page is key to building trust. Set up payments under Settings, then Payments. Activate Shopify payments and PayPal so customers can check out quickly and securely. Configure shipping in Settings, shipping and delivery with local and international rates if needed. Consider a free shipping threshold. It's a proven driver for beauty sales and you can highlight it in your site banner. Connect your domain in Settings, Domains. Buy or link a custom domain for polished branding that's easy to remember. Install key apps to boost results. Judge.me for product reviews and social proof. And Klaviyo for email marketing, launches, and abandoned cart recovery. Optimize for search by using keywords like lip gloss, shiny lips, and hydrating lip oil in product titles and descriptions. Add meta titles and descriptions, and keep your branding consistent across your site and social channels. Before launching, place a test order. Check your mobile layout and make sure checkout is smooth. When everything looks great, remove password protection and start promoting with TikTok beauty content, Instagram Reels, influencer collaborations, and email campaigns. Your lip gloss Shopify website is now ready to shine. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.